So we'll learn about registering the variable in Ansible now. So what we'll be doing is we'll create a variable, custom variable. Okay, save something into it, output of some command into it, and display it on the screen. That's what the registering the variable is called. Okay, so here also a very simple playbook. Okay, so what we are doing, this part is common, first one. Okay, here we are defining a task. Okay, first task is get the disk space. So if you see df hyphen h, okay, df hyphen h slash, as I said, in Linux everything starts from slash. And if you see the usage, it has given the disk usage. Now the same thing will be uh, stored in a variable, and after running the playbook, means during playbook run, it will display it on the screen itself. So df-h output is registered into disk underscore space underscore result. Okay, so this is the inbuilt command of Ansible. So here we are registering it in a variable called disk space result. So which output it will register? The command output only it will register, not anything else. Okay, so it is limited to this block only. Now it is displaying the same result on the screen. Okay, so take this variable as it is. Okay, and these are some inbuilt variables. Okay, so it will output it on the screen, std out lines, in lines format. It will output the result. Okay, so let's run this playbook. Cat register var.yml, or we can even write only register cat register var.yml. And if you see it here, we already have an output for reference, that is 2.8 GB is used, 10% is used. Okay. Ansible playbook on inventory file host.ini. We are running this playbook on inventory file host.ini, and the playbook name is register var.yml. Okay, so disk space, okay, gathering facts, then it stored the output, okay, in disk space result. And for outputting this, we need to remember, it will register debug, okay, and std out. These three words you need to remember, that it will first register in the disk space, then debug. Why it is called debug? Actually we are doing the debug only. Okay, debug means checking for some errors. Okay, so it will be helpful for checking the errors as well. So debug it. For debugging, what we are doing, storing the result here and output it on the screen, std out lines. Okay, so if you don't use lines, then it will not give proper output. That's why underscore lines, but it is the inbuilt function, you can say. So if you see, it is displayed on the screen itself. So if you want for 100 of systems, then for all 100 system it will display it on the screen. And if you find anything is wrong with any other system, we can try to increase space on that particular system. Okay, so this was about registering a variable. So remember, debug var std out and register.